So, welcome this another review for DealExtreme.com, and today I'm reviewing this Lockpick set, which is kinda very cheap. It costs about $5 and it contains all necessary things to open the basic lock. This set is actually very good for starters, and I highly recommend to buy this, not just for price, but it's very helpful. So, got a lot, and I say a lot because it's a lot of lockpicks, and also this tiny turning thing which you turn lock with. And we got this lockpick which I actually don't have idea what is this for, but it could be helpful. And there's just one thing that is missing over here. It is a lockpick called Snake, which is kind of curved on, and it is not in this set, so that's kind of surprising. But got all necessary things to open a lock, and I highly recommend this for starters. And actually, price is very good, so just buy it. So thanks for watching.